Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to talk about how to fix the triangulation towers that you use to scan for signals. Because I'm sure you noticed in this latest 0.9.0 update, to Voices of the Void, there are now 3 towers, or 3 little points, at least on the monitor, that you have to use to triangulate before you can scan all of the signals. And they are actual physical towers. There's one over here to the south of the base. There's one up by the lake. And then there's one way over there. Oh, there's a Firewatch tower. There's one way over there past the construction site. You can kind of see it right there. And there's 3 of them. And sometimes they go down. They get struck by lightning or something else happens and they degrade it, or a video creator goes over and throws Molotovs at him, and then you have to fix them. So how to do that, all we have to do is go down to where the base, and we're going to climb up them, and we're going to climb up this tower from the base to fix it. Be careful when you're exploring these. This particular tower out to the south doesn't have anything, but the one by the pond does have some goodies on these different levels before you get to the top. Now when you get up here, the way you repair this is you open it. And what ends up happening is each one of these gets equipped with several fuses, and they're kind of expensive, so it's a good idea to swap them out, and you can actually repair these. I'll look at that here in a sec. But I actually brought some spare ones, and each one of these is good for a single lightning strike or blast that smacks this particular relay tower. And then to reset it, all we have to do is keep clicking on these lights until all of the red ones are green, which admittedly kind of sucks, because I do know people who are red-green colorblind that this is really tricky for them to do this minigame, so hopefully they add an option to get rid of that in the future. And you just have to keep hitting these different combinations of lights until they're all green, and then you hit reset. And then this bad boy should, once it boots back up, turn green again. Or at least that's the hope. For some reason, it didn't. Oh, that's because I need to hit the lever. Okay, now the lever's on. When the 4 corners here are green, you know you're good, and then you can hit the reset button, and that puts it all away. That's all you gotta do to fix these relay towers. Alright, so you can take the broken fuses that you get out of the transformers, and if you go into your office, which mine is still an absolute mess, there are a few spare rungs of copper wiring hanging around inside the base. Put this down here on this desk, and then that should, yep, we can use that to repair the broken fuse. So now we have a spare broken fuse, or a spare fuse I should say, and the ability to make more if we so choose, or to repair more. It looks like it doesn't use up the whole wire. It uses 1 charge of the copper wire. So we can actually put all of these down, and we can fix the fuses. Boom, now we've got spare fuses galore. So it's actually not as terrible as it used to be when this first went out for beta testing before it went to full release, to fix those fuses. And there's a few different things that actually run on those fuses. I think even this signal tower here that you need in order to triangulate your location for the drone uses fuses. So there you have it. Let's been a brief look at how you fix the triangulation towers. I forget what they're called. I'll put it in the video description and also the title so people can find this. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.